Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 30-gallon air compressors that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 3 is the Clutch 20-gallon air compressor. With its 2 HP motor and a maximum pressure of 175 psi, this compressor is an excellent middle ground option for both occasional and medium-duty use. Its oil-free pump design reduces maintenance needs, while the quick recovery rate of 4.2 SCFM at 90 psi ensures you can complete tasks efficiently without too much downtime. The design of this compressor emphasizes portability and durability. The large rubber wheels and ergonomic handle make it easy to move around your workshop or garage, while the rubber foot stabilizers minimize vibration during use. At 80 dB, its noise level is manageable, making it a practical choice for home improvement projects or light commercial use. Plus, the thermal overload protection adds an extra layer of safety, preventing overheating during extended operation. On the downside, its 20-gallon capacity may feel limiting for users who need a larger air supply for continuous operation. Additionally, while it's versatile, it's not quite as powerful as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. Still, for those looking for a reliable, portable air compressor that balances performance and ease of use, the Clutch 20-gallon model is a solid pick. Securing the runner-up spot is the Campbell Hausfeld 30-gallon horizontal air compressor. With a robust 3.7 HP motor and a maximum pressure of 135 psi, this compressor is built for demanding tasks. Its high airflow capacity of 10.2 CFM at 90 psi makes it a great choice for powering multiple tools simultaneously, whether you're drilling, spraying, or nailing. The horizontal design is paired with semi-pneumatic wheels, making it easy to maneuver despite its hefty 163-pound weight. It's powered by a 230-volt electrical system, ensuring efficiency and reliability even under demanding conditions. The tank's alloy steel construction and metal belt guard enhance durability, while the 30-gallon capacity ensures you have ample air for prolonged use. The trade-off here is the noise level and size. This is a louder, bulkier unit, which may not be ideal for smaller workshops or residential spaces. But if you're a professional or a serious DIY enthusiast looking for a powerful, durable workhorse for heavy-duty applications, the Campbell Hausfeld model delivers excellent performance and value. Claiming the top spot on our list is the HP DMC 13 HP gas air compressor. This beast of a machine is designed for heavy-duty industrial use, featuring a 13 HP gas-powered engine and an impressive airflow capacity of 24 CFM at 180 psi. The two-stage compression system ensures higher pressure output, making it ideal for demanding applications like truck repair, construction, and agricultural use. What sets this compressor apart is its portability and adaptability. It's designed to be mounted on a truck or service vehicle, allowing you to take it wherever your work requires. The 30-gallon ASME certified tank ensures a stable and consistent air supply, while the cast iron construction of the pump head enhances durability for long-term use. Despite its power, the noise level is relatively moderate at 79 dB, making it a manageable option for outdoor work. The downside? This machine is overkill for casual users or light-duty tasks. It's also the heaviest and most complex option on this list, requiring a higher upfront investment. But if you're a professional in need of a high-performance, portable compressor that can handle the toughest jobs, the HP DMC 13 HP gas air compressor is hands down the best choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.